Before anything was gathered into pages, it was simply kept. Flowers pressed between recipe books, notes folded and tucked away, small pieces saved because they felt tied to something larger, a season, a hand, a moment that didn't want to be lost. That quiet keeping is where Rooted in Love begins. This kit was shaped as though it were assembled slowly over time, not designed all at once. The pages feel softened by use, marked by habit, and guided by care that was practiced rather than announced. As you look through the kit, you'll find journal pages built on warm, aged papers, opened and unhurried, leaving room for writing, layering, and pause. Some pages carry gentle botanical images, others remain simpler, as if waiting for something to be added. The background papers move between soft textures and more decorative patterns, all kept muted and heirloom toned, meant to support rather than overwhelm. These are the kinds of papers that feel familiar, like something reused from an old album or saved from a drawer. The ephemera is where the details gather. You'll find tags, journaling cards, labels, and pieces that feel practical and personal at the same time. Botanical elements sit alongside domestic objects. Nothing here is meant to be finished quickly. This kit is designed for slow journaling, memory keeping, and heirloom projects, for pages that evolve, gather, and hold what matters over time. Rooted in Love is not about filling pages, it's about keeping them. What's kept this way tends to last. It is rooted in love.